2002 सुरू जाल्ल्या काम आयुर्वेद ब्रँडाक संवसारीक पांवड्यार आतां बरी नामना मेळपाक लागल्या. ही वखदां सैमीक आनी रसायन मुक्त आसात. मनशाचे भलायके संदर्भात हो ब्रँड भोव उपेगी थारला अशें काम आयुर्वेद ब्रँडाच्या विवेक साहानीन सांगलें. पळयात.
Kama Ayurveda was started in 2002 to take something which is Indian, traditional and with proven efficacy out to the world. Kama is desire, Ayurveda is science, and we bring them together. That's why it's called Kama Ayurveda. The brand is a largely problem solution brand selling authentic Ayurvedic treatments. Treatments for the hair, so whether it's falling hair, dandruff, itchy scalp, things like that. For the face, dark circles, pigmentation, fine lines, all skin related issues, acne, and then for the body. The products are, a lot of the products have clinical trials. They've been tested and clinical trials for proven efficacy so that say that your hair will stop falling, or 40% reduction in hair fall after 21 days or 30 days. There should be that because there's a clinical trial to prove that. So we have a very strong foundation on using clinical trials to prove that Ayurvedic products work.